Hey guys, what's up? Toyota GR Yaris 1.6 liter turbo manual, and it's a 3-cylinder inline dock 4-valve roller rocker. So ayan guys, at 2.9 million pesos. Electronic fuel injection, so EFI siya. So basically, pakita natin yung under the hood. So syempre, the GR badge, Gazoo Racing, turbo, 3-cylinder. Tapos dito siguro, dito for sure air filter, brake. Tapos ito yung sa mismong ano niya, sa washer, ito yung sa radiator. And turbo kasi to. So yeah, correct. Dito nga kasi wala siya dito. Pero yun guys, look at that. Super pogi nito guys. As may fog lamps. Tapos LED yung light. Daytime running light. As you can see. And guys, napakaganda ng bumper. As you can see, meron siya mga butas dito para yung sa mga vents niya, sa mga scoop. And we got the BBS tires made in Japan. So yan guys, Michelin tires as you can see. And this is a Rim 18 225 40 series. So yan, kita nyo naman yung Gazoo disc caliper na brake, tsaka yung disc brake. And then the GR batch, it's a 2-door sports compact car. Tapos yan, BBS nga yung tires natin sa likod. So 2-door, tapos kita nito, ibabaw, carbon, shark's fin. Kita nyo naman guys yung ilikod do. Super pogi. Grabe, ang ganda. So ayun, GR4 badge. Double yung exhaust natin sa likod and then lapad ng gulong. Super ganda guys. Unfortunately, hindi ko mabuksan yung likod. Pero, ayan. Check the inside. So it's a manual. Super ganda ng seats. Sarap ng feeling pag hinawakan. Tapos yung pagkatak mo dito, for sure, when you sit down, super swabe dyan guys. As you can see, pasok tayo. Hey guys, what's up? Inside the GR4 Yaris. So, swabe-swabe. Kitang-kita nyo naman guys. Black interior. It's a manual, 6-speed transmission. Normal yung handbrake, of course, if it's a sports car. Kailangan mo yan guys. And of course yan, Takumi. Takumi ka na dyan. So yan, yung mga pipitikin mo yung silinyador when you're doing some drifting. Pero yan guys, super swabe. Manual. Tapos dito, sports and track mode. Normal, ano lang. Wala lang siyang USB. So, no time to charge guys. Wala siyang USB. So, unfortunately, bili ka ng adapter. Tapos, ayun nga. So, yun guys. So, as you can see here sa batch, it's a FIA World Cup, FIA World Rally. Itong GR Sport na to. So, developed for FIA World Rally Championship. So, if makikita nyo sa Google yung specs itong car na to, it's a rally ready car. So, it's a sports subcompact. So, napaka-pogi guys. Gazoo Racing. And it's a 3-cylinder. So, kitang-kita nyo naman. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung likod. Kung gaano kaluwag. So, ayan. You have enough space for your kids. Alright? Why I know you have enough space for your kids if you're a family of 5. So, may friend tayo na nakaganito, puti. Super pogi guys. One of the best in Batangas. One of the best good-looking Yaris. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga picture. Ito, yeah. Kita nyo naman guys, naka-set up siya, di ba? Hindi, may mga dinagdag siya sa mga body kits. Ayun, so meron din siyang shop. So if you guys want to get your cars coated, ceramic, so yun, check out the Habit Auto Salon 043. Diyan kay Joselito Bagi. Alright guys, ito malupit dito. Soft siya So parang meron dito nag-a-assist. Pero yun guys, super ganda talaga nitong nandito palang computer box sa ilalim. So yun, punta tayo. 2-door. So kita-kita nyo naman guys, swabing-swabe. Look at that. GR Yaris 1.6 liter turbo manual, 6-speed, 3-cylinder, 4-valve roller rocker. So yun. Let's see. Alright guys, so that's about it about the new GR Yaris Sports. Napakaganda guys. Marami itong kulay. May black, may red, may white. Swabing swabe guys. Kita nyo naman, pinakita ko lalo yung sa friend ko. Napaka-porma. Kaya shoutout kay Joselito Bagi, Hoto Abit Salon. So yun guys, check it out now here at Toyota Calamba. Once again, thanks for watching guys. Bye!